Hello, in this video I'll be giving my honest review on this Airpods cleaning tool. So I have tried so many other cleaning kits and this by far has been the best one from my experience. I really like to keep my Airpods clean and this definitely gets the job done. So it has this little pointy thing here that you can use to scrape out any of the wax that is in the speaker portion of the headphones. So this is usually where I start. And this is probably kind of disgusting, but I feel like it's beneficial in helping you understand how nicely this tool works. And so I just like to go in all of the little small areas with this little pointy tool. Then there's this brush here that you can just kind of use this to brush away anything that is on the outside. So that's what I do there. So this one is pretty clean for the most part. So that's what I use that end for. And then the other end has this bigger like foamy type brush. And with this side, I use it to clean out this section of my Airpods. So just go into each section and just brush. It can get all the way down in there. So I use that to clean out the inside. I love that the tool is so easy to use. It's so quick. It's also not very messy, because other cleaning kits that I've had in the past, they come with all these different pieces and it's kind of hard to keep up with them, or it might be something that you can only use like one time and then throw it away. But this one is definitely easy to use. It's very quick for me to clean my Airpods, which is nice because I almost am obsessed with keeping them clean. I'm cleaning them all the time. And so this tool is just very nice to have to get that job done. So that is my honest review and a little demonstration on how I use this Airpod cleaning tool.